Finally, Wednesday. I'm just happy, guys. I'm just happy. Anyway, what's up, guys? What's up, guys? We are still fixing things. You know, yeah, the background song is from Zimbabwe Republic Police. Whenever I get some jobs from my former colleagues, I always remember them by playing their songs, you know. I love the way how they do things, but I can't join them, that effect. So that's the thing. Let me adjust my webcam. That's nice. So what we have here we do have a laptop power pack. It's for Lenovo, I believe G40 G50 series, with the USB port, charging port. You know such kind of laptops. I think it's Lenovo G40 G50 series, along those lines. So this power pack was booked in as no power. It came from my former colleague from the Zimbabwe Republic Police. So I have to help them, you know, no matter what. I have to help them, because from them I learn a lot of things. Okay, so I know maybe people, they don't believe, but I think I really made a video some time ago about this. Let me show, maybe I can get something. Maybe I can get something here. A lot of people, they are like doubting Thomas. You see, that was me. That was me in the office. So yeah, long ago. Anyway, that's not the issue. The issue is, for that period which I was in the force, I was doing like administration duties, and I was not meant to do such kind of things. I was meant to fix things, you know. So I felt like my talent or my skills were being suppressed, and then I move out. So anyway, let's see what's going on here. So do you have this laptop power pack? The first step, let's separate this. Let's check the AC adapter. Let's plug in our AC adapter. AC plugged. We must have 220, 230, 200 something volts. (206), which I think is okay. So we can plug here our AC cable. Now let's switch to DC and check the output. The outer metal is always the ground, and here at the center we have the middle pin, that the charger ID pin, which is there to identify the charging current, and that pin is not that much important at this moment. What I want to speak, inside this port, we have the metal. Here, there we must have 19 volts. and you see we have like 0.49, like 0 volts. We don't have output on this switching power supply. That's the problem with this one. Our AC is giving 220, 202, but no output. So let's unplug here. What I will do, I'll put my multimeter on diode mode. We need to check if we have a shorted output, minus, plus. What? Don't tell me that we have a shorted output here. No, that was voltage. We don't have a short on the plus and minus on the output, okay? So we need to open this. It seems someone once worked on this power pack before. So let's see how we can open this. Yeah, that's what is happening in developing countries. Maybe on developed countries you just throw this away and buy another one. But here people, they are coming with anything. People, they are coming with anything. Trust me, even cell phone chargers. You can't believe. Can't believe what people they are bringing. So we are inside our power pack. So what to check first? Where's the metal thing? We don't have too many things here. That's our chopper, the transformer. Here we have a big capacitor, 405 something volts, and here we can see 4 pins. That's our rectifier bridge. After the rectifier, we have the big capacitor to filter the DC, because the rectifier is therefore to change AC to DC. After that, we have our N channel MOSFET here, which is switching this transformer, and on the secondary we don't have too many things. We have our TL431, that's the shunt regulator for the opto coupler, if that's the name. And there we have our Scotch diode on the output, which is acting as the regulator. They use a double diode on the output. After that, we have some capacitor to filter the voltage, and that's all. So what can be faulty here? Let's check the rectifier. Rectifier looks okay. The next step, our switching MOSFETs. Gate source drain combination should not be mixed up, remember. Okay. I forget to check the big capacitor for voltage, because bad things can happen. No, there's no voltage. We are safe. Let's go back to diode mode. Here it's good. So I think I just seen the problem. This is the transformer. if we check all the pins, all the input pins, 1, 2, 3, 4, there we have some cracked solder here on the transformer, even on the secondary, all the pins disconnected, like cracked solder. So obvious we can't have a working power supply. So let's resolder those pins back. Let's resolder all those pins back and see what's going on, and see if we solder all those pins for the transformer. Electronics is nice, sometimes it's easy. Sometimes it's easy. I don't think we have a secondary issue here. I don't think so. It's not always hard. So we have like 4 pins on the primary stage and 4 pins on the secondary stage. All of them were disordered, like a cracked solder pins. So what we did, we just resolder all those pins of the transformer, and what is left is to test. Obviously that's what is left, is to test to see if this thing is working. So do you see? Let's see now. Check on the test meter, 20.16. So our charger is fixed. Okay, so my colleague will be happy. So there's no reason to keep you on this video, because we now have a working power pack. Or even we can check one more time. You can see on my multimeter down there, 20.03, and our voltage is stable. So this job is done. Like, subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell. See you on the next replay. Bye.